Today, we'll talk about data governance, what it is, why is it important, why is it hard, and ways in which you can launch a lean, sustainable, and effective data governance that drives value. Brian has spent more than 16 years working in data management and has helped multiple enterprises launch data governance initiatives. How would you explain data governance to a data person who's not a data management person?
We're simply partners. We're partners on the same mission to ensure that data can be trusted and that it can be used and accessed easily and used for the success of the company.
Data governance is about making data more usable, high quality, and protected. If we know that data governance is important, why the adoption is still fairly limited?
I think that many times we talk the theoretical level of governance and all of these frameworks and all of these things. And although I find that they're important, we should really be speaking their language, talking about how the lack of governance affects the lack of quality of data and drives their business decisions, which that can drive down their bottom line.
Why should companies care? Why not maintain the status quo and do the way that they're doing right now?
I believe that data gives each company a unique competitive advantage in that market. And if they can learn to leverage that data and clean that data up and put those rules around the data, then they have a trade secret in it.
Education of how the outcome of data governance impacts has a tangible impact to the business. To me, that is still the key.
Tools like DvSum. Tools like DvSum that can be used to cut down the time in finding the data and understanding where the data is and all of those things. That money can be reinvested and saved at the same time. $1,000 solution can save you billions of dollars. So,
what should I, as that data leader, do differently to really, bring that data governance to the organization?
I believe in rapid process improvements, RPIs. And you just can't boil the ocean. You pick a small subset of something, you apply the principles of data governance, you apply the principles of data quality, and then you improve in that area. Too many times they hear professionals in our industry talk about what governance can do, but never apply what governance can do.
From a people standpoint, we need to start lean. You don't need to create a Jedi council and a governance council and a data stewardship program to really get it off the ground. Maybe at some point you do. And then even from process standpoint, it's not one size fits all. And even from a technology standpoint, there are like graveyards of data governance tool implementation failures because it's just too many. You have policies and access, etc. You can start with the data catalog, being able to show that value and connecting it to the business, transformation initiatives, really is the way to, launch it off the ground, let alone sustain it over a longer period of time.
Working with you and working, with DvSum, turn our world around to the point where we were a well-oiled machine.
Our augmented data catalog solution can help you launch a lean, sustainable, and effective data governance program fast.